Let's take a look at this problem where we're asked to determine the operating cash flow in the first year. You work for Athens Inc. and you must estimate the year 1 operating cash flow for a project with the following data. And the question is, what's the year 1 operating cash flow? Okay, so we can see on the screen that sales revenue is $15,000, depreciation is $4,000, other operating cost is $6,000, and the tax rate is 35%. All right, let me move the mouse over, and I've worked this ahead of time to save a little time, but we'll just bring this to light now. Okay, so what we know is first thing we want to do is start off with the sales revenue. And that's 15,000, and that's just taken from above. Okay, so I'm just going to bring the colors to light because I've worked this ahead of time. Then we need to subtract out operating costs. And if we subtract out B6, we'll subtract out depreciation. That'll be worth $4,000. I'll slide the next line and illustrate that. Then we would back out other operating costs, right? $6,000, so I'm just subtracting from above. And from there we would generate net operating income, which is simply the sum of the positive and the negative numbers at this point. All right, then we need to calculate the income taxes. So we subtract income taxes and we multiply 35% times net operating income. So I'm taking the value, a negative value of D15 times D8, just so the number shows up as a negative, and then we can just sum to come up with net income. And there's the sum command, right? Sum of D15, D16. You can see it up here on the screen or down here. All right, and then what we've got to do is we have to add back depreciation. And so the way we do that is we just add back depreciation as a positive number. And from there, we're able to compute operating cash flows of $7,250, and that's the answer to this problem.